When we run out of ideas, we tend to rehash. We've done a version of the Sidecar before, but don't worry, today's isn't that similar. This time we're mixing the Bourbon Sidecar. Next month is October, and I'm already looking ahead to the witch's brew I'm gonna mix up then. In fact, I might have to take a trip outside to find some wild ingredients. But that's a story for another day. Come on, let's send off September with a victory shot. That's a brother's bond. The Bourbon Sidecar swaps brandy for bourbon. It's about that simple. So if bourbon isn't your thing, you can follow my recipe, but with brandy instead. Then you would have a Sidecar, the regular one. Let me show you. 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. ½ ounce of lemon juice. ½ ounce of orange liqueur. Two ounces of a bourbon. But first we have to have ourselves a shot. Knocking on heaven's door, eh? And that's a Bourbon Sidecar. Today's word of wisdom is use. Use doesn't have a different use, depending on how you use it. Yet we say it different from use to use. It's just 3 letters, U-S-E, yet we change the way we say it every time we use it. Listen to this. Are you going to use the bar tonight? Or what use is a bar? One was use and the other was use. Use, 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 use. One has a Z and one has an S, yet they're spelled the same. I don't really have a point this week, just an interesting observation. I guess if you need a lesson, you can take this one to the bank. English is stupid.
Shooting! I lost my gun. I am dead. Holy Kalina!